Hello, today we'll be talking about Unit 2.6, which is market equilibrium and consumer and producer surplus. First, we need to identify where the market equilibrium is. The market equilibrium can be found where the demand line and the supply line cross. For this graph is at 50-50, $50 and 50 units over here. Next, we need to find out where the consumer and producer surplus are. The producer surplus, it can be located at the bottom left corner, which this triangle inhabits. So that would be this area here under the equilibrium line. And what producer surplus is how much money a producer is making, because all these points on this line of the supply line represent individual producers. Let's say for a product like apple juice, the producer might be willing to sell it at only $25, but since the market equilibrium is at $50, they are actually making an additional $25 by selling it at $50, even though they only worth and value the product at $25. So that is this line over here. This is also true for consumer surplus. So as you can imagine, if someone values a product at $100, but it's only worth $50 on the market, they're kind of making $50 since they value the product at $100, 50 more than the $50 they have to pay. They're getting a pretty good deal since they're paying less than they intended to originally. That is consumer and producer surplus. How you calculate it is very simple. You simply find the side lengths and calculate it as if you were calculating any other triangle. In this case, we have 50 and 50. So this side is 50. This side is also 50. So conveniently, this area would be 1,250. And same for this one. But just keep in mind that this is a very basic example and not all producer surplus need to equal the consumer surplus. So they don't both have to be 1 to 50. That just happens to be the example I've created here. I hope that helps. Thank you for watching.